Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your SendOutCards business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you exactly my three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard for recruiting and to hit the leaderboard for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified leads of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the lifestyle and freedom you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who already have the success that you want in your niche, looking at what they've done and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. This tool is going to allow you to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to be able to rank on Google and YouTube for to get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You want to create a 300-word description and scatter those keywords throughout the description. Place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keywords. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to create 3 to 5 minute content that goes after the same keyword. Use open broadcast system to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find out exactly where your niche and like-minded people, exactly where they're hanging out. And in this case, it's most likely going to be like-minded network marketers. And you want to reach out to them with a good first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyways. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? Starting off with a message like this is going to be able to start to build your following. And as you build your following, you want to engage with people on your timeline. You want to post engaging pictures, post blog posts, fill in the blanks, and asking questions. Those are all good ways to keep people engaged. You want some good groups to connect in are the Robert Kiyosaki fan page and the Tony Robbins fan page. You want to set a goal to make 5 to 10 connections every day and be consistent in these groups because people will get to know you from your comment. Common mistake, you don't want to do this, do not do this, is to go around trying to pitch and close people. Okay, what you really want to do is make connections and people will eventually reach out to you. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So that means 90% personal and 10% about your business. If you blast your company logo all up and down your page, you're going to get little to no reactions and engagement. But if you keep it 90% personal, that means pictures of yourself, pictures of your family, pictures of food, pictures of random quotes, inspirational quotes and messages. Those kind of things will keep people engaged. A good curiosity post can also lead to your business. So here's an example. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may reach out to you and say, hey, but what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.